What is going on, guys? Emmanuel checking in here. I went ahead and I picked up a set of MUGEN taillights for my FK7 CIVIC hatchback, and I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing, so check it out, guys. Oh yeah! Alright guys, so I have my taillights here. I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. I got these from King Motorsports and I ordered them at the end of last year, and they were kind enough to contact me and let me know that they were back ordered, and they said they'd be available 2 weeks after I had ordered them. And so I went ahead and I paid for them, and about a week ago they emailed me and they sent me a purchase order to pay through PayPal because it had been such a long time since I had ordered them, and the payment expired, so I wasn't charged and I had to resubmit the payment, and then I just got them today, and that was a week ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up so you guys can see. MUGEN, and then it has an item number here, or part number, LED tail light, part number, made in Taiwan, and then it has a direction in Japan. But like I've said in my previous videos, a lot of MUGEN parts, or a lot of Honda parts in general, are made in Taiwan. So let's go ahead and get these open so you guys could take a look. So if they were in stock, I would have gotten them in about a week, but since they were back ordered, it took a little bit longer. But here they are, guys. MUGEN taillights. Some of the paperwork, instruction, paperwork, and it has the instructions on how to install them. Just go ahead and set this aside. So it comes with, look here, has these zip ties, some sort of padding. And then on this side we have one of the lights. This is right side. Yeah, one of the markers. This is right. Let me put this back in here. Just gonna take one of these out. Show you what they look like. Show you guys. All the wiring, and then it says MUGEN right there. These look nice. I'll set these down right here. Go ahead and grab the other one. Marker left, and the final headlights. like, comment, subscribe. Just follow me on Instagram _Emmanuel_, same as my YouTube channel name. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you